All right. Doesn't look like any big rearrangements are going to be needed to the sampling field. Well, with both teams ready, let's get qualification match 3 started in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. We've got some robots lowering, nice and slow now, no loud thunks. 3965 setting up to move their gold mineral off the sampling field. 7776 doing the same, but much more aggressively. Oh, 2 robots have had a clash in the red corner, but it looks like they both gotten out of it mostly unscathed. Oh, that's not good. 8949 doesn't look like they're moving, but they are just right on the edge of the crater. And now it's time to move into teleop.
3, 2, 1.
And we begin. It looks like 3965 is trying to get more minerals into that corner. 7776 moving minerals into their own depot. As 8610 deploys their lifter to start moving minerals into the lander. At the same time, 8949 is starting to move their own gold minerals into the lander. And that's a good drop of 2 gold minerals in. 2 silver minerals in from 8610. In the corners, we've got teams still moving minerals into their depots. We're not seeing any offensive play. 8949 still moving minerals real fast. 8610 sets up to drop a pair of gold. Oh. There we go. 8949 setting up to drop another pair of gold minerals in. There's a lot of fast-paced action going on here, but it doesn't look like there's too many minerals in the blue depot. We move 20 seconds to end game as 8610 is starting to pick up more minerals. Oh, a small clash is happening. It looks like they've cleared that out fast. 8949 dropping another pair of gold minerals into their side. As 8610 does the same. We're seeing a lot of good competition around the land. And we move into end game. Let's see who's going to try and hang. 7776 looks like they're getting set up to latch and hang themselves, but they're not moving too much. It looks like all the teams are getting set up as we move into the last 15 seconds of endgame. Let's see who will lift. 8949 setting up on the opposite side for the Red Alliance. We have 8610 pulling themselves up. Ooh, 8949 loses their grip right at the end. And that's the match. A very strong showing in both the autonomous and endgame.